Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we will introduce functions. Functions can be used to create a script that is needed in various places centrally, and then call it when it is needed. Additionally, functions can include input and return parameters, which we will also discuss. To learn how shared functions with restricted parameters work, feel free to watch our other video on this topic, as we will not cover that today. We begin by creating our function. To do this, we go to Scripts, then to Function, create a new function, and give it a name. Since we want to return a value in the function, we select the format in which this value should be. In our case, a value of type string should be returned. Next, we set up the input parameter. We also need to give it a name and then define what type of data it should contain. Here we choose the type number. After clicking OK, we can create our script. In this, it is checked which value is passed in the language input parameter. If the value is 0, the returned text should be in English. Otherwise, a German text should be returned. To call this function now, we create a script on the button that sets the value in our text field to the return value of the function. For this, we select the function with return value block and pass the variable that contains the selected language as the value. In the dashboard, we can now see that a click on the button displays the desired response. Thank you for watching. In the description, you will find links to the templates page where you can download this project and the related article on our help page.